So here's some 3 tips that can help you when you start with this business. The first tip, I remember that one of the things that I learned was being able to edify the person that is presenting the business for me. I remember that Julian Aparicio, which is my sponsor, he would present the business for me because I didn't know how. So my role was to edify him in such a way that the person that I was presenting the business would listen to him and respect him. So one of the key factors was edify him. Talking about his accomplishments as a professional in network marketing, as a professional in other businesses. The edification is extremely important for that reason. Another important tip I remember was being what we call a taxi dog. What's a taxi dog? The little bobbleheads? Basically, the bobbleheads that just go like this. Whenever Julian was presenting the business for me, I would just shake my head. Everything he said was the rediscovery of the moon, right? When he would talk about gynodermalucium, I would go like, oof, gynodermalucium, yeah, totally. And why is that so important? Because the person that's receiving the information usually is on their phone or they're not paying attention. But when you do that, it forces them to kind of like lean in and start to really, focus on what you're saying. And I remember these things really helped me when I first started Gano Excel and started network marketing. So maybe these tips can help you, be successful in your business. And remember, the crutches are just in your mind.